Okay, so today's vlog is of me recording myself heading to a 2-day business trip to Aichi, Japan. We are currently on a highway towards Aichi, Japan from Kyoto. It's approximately a 2-hour ride, so we took some breaks in the middle, and we're about to head to a service area. Yeah, so this is the inside of the service area convenience store. It's a 7-Eleven, which most of you are most likely quite aware of. It's actually popular over here in Japan too. But yeah, this is a lot of the what the shelves look like over here. They have a lot of unique foods here. They're all tasty as well. They're uncomparable to like the level of food in America. I'm sorry to say this, but yeah, you could literally live at a convenience store in Japan. You would not get bored of the amount of food that is stocked up here. There's a lot of different kinds of drinks as well, and I'm getting a green smoothie right now because gotta keep my health up a little. But yeah, I'm just contemplating on what to buy for my lunch, and yeah. And then I ended up getting a couple rice balls and I believe a sandwich. I'll most likely show it after this, but yeah, there was a lot to pick from, so we were just debating on what to get. And yeah, I'm sorry, the visual may be like moving around a lot, but you could expect this when you come to Japan. This amount of food, like the options are endless. You've probably never even heard of like 90% of what's being sold here because they're not sold in America. I don't think so. I've never seen it in America. I mean, there's sandwiches and stuff, of course, that you've seen, but the rest is pretty unique and only sold in the convenience stores in Japan. And the amount of work they put into this, the lunch, the dinner, these bentos and these food is actually insane. I think they're really high quality. Like I personally don't think that they lose to any kind of restaurant out there. Like it is really good. And I get a basket here to put food in because we got quite a lot actually. We were very hungry. I think we skipped breakfast here or something. I kind of forgot. I'm sorry. Be remembering this, but okay, so I got a sandwich here, and I got the one with the tonkatsu inside of it, I think, which was what's something I wanted to eat. And then I came to the tea section, and I believe I picked up a green tea. The visual wasn't too good, but yes. Yeah, I'm just still scoping around the convenience store. Hopefully this is interesting for you to watch. I'm sorry, I should have maybe kept the frame a little bit longer for each item, but yeah, this is a lot of the juice and corner. This is a lot of I found a tofu bar, which I was shocked. I was like, what is that? It's interesting. I didn't end up buying it, but maybe next time I'll try it. And yeah, on the other side of here, there's a lot of interesting items, and we're about to go pay our fee. This is the cash register here. We got called to this one over here, so we were very, very lucky. And yeah, so this cash register, it's nothing unique. As in the previous ramen video that I showed, a lot of the payment here you can do with a cashless method, which is something that's quite spreading in Japan, so you may not need to come to Japan and exchange your currency because you can pay through an online payment. But yeah, I usually never pay because it's usually a company's expense. But yeah, just cool. I love eating food on a company's expense. It's great. But yeah, you see us packing our lunch here. The bags, and yeah, I'm about to head outside to the benches outside to eat the lunch because, well, I mean, it wasn't that good of a day. It was very cloudy and the wind was strong. But yeah, oh, and there's a tanuki right there. Yeah, heading to the benches outside. It's really bad weather. um, we thought about eating inside, but I mean it's COVID, so you don't really want to stick inside that long. So we just ended up coming out here. That's my wallet. I've been using it for quite a while. Yeah, excited to eat. I love eating food. Alright, so this is just me showing off the tonkatsu sandwich that I'm about to eat. It's like a under view of me, I'm sorry. I forgot to bring a stand, but yeah, this is what it looks like up close. There's my green smoothie at the left. That was really good. And yeah, I'm about to head back after eating that lunch to the car, company car. Wind is blowing very hard, so we had to drive pretty safely on the highway. It was blowing left and right. Yeah, there is our company car. So yeah, I like driving, so I'm usually the one driving. I like it. It's pretty fun. The roads on the highways in Japan are really empty, so it feels good being at speed. Yeah, this is a clip of me just driving. I just took another clip of this, but yeah, as you can tell, this is the highway of Japan. It's not full at all. The only part that I kind of don't like is that it's only 2 lines. Well, we headed through like this amusement park to the right here, which was I believe not open, and it hasn't been open for quite a while, I feel. The same with Disneyland and Universal Studios. They have like these like shortened hours and stuff, so yeah, hopefully one day I'll be able to go here. Yeah, we're heading our way through the highway, and yeah, these bridges were kind of cool, so I just took a couple minutes of footage here. So the area I'm at right now is, I think, pretty famous because there's a lot of cargo ships, and you can tell at the left that there's a lot of big trucks that are driving by. But yeah, because this place is like a major port in Japan, a lot of ships stop by here. And to the right here, you can't see it, but there's a massive ship that just unloaded a bunch of cars. So, or maybe they're loading cars, I'm not sure, but yeah, this place is quite busy at this time. And yeah, we finally arrived at the hotel. The Green Ridge Hotel, Nagoya Nishiki is the place we're staying at today. Yeah, it's a new hotel. I believe it's just opened like a couple months, I think. It's not even that old. So the interior of this place is pretty brand spanking new. I'm not sure about this neon light door, but yeah, I just walked by, and of course you gotta put your hand under this alcohol machine that spits out alcohol at your hand, and you go woo woo woo. But yeah, gotta keep your hand sanitized. So yeah, it's pretty much a hotel. The inside's pretty clean. To the left here, there's like a big area where you can take a bath. It's like a bathhouse, pretty famous in Japan. So yeah, we gotta keep our distance here. Heading on the hotel. But yeah, it's pretty interesting. They have a lot of hotels around the place. But yeah, elevator was pretty clean too. Of course, it's clean. But yeah, this is the lobby of the Green Ridge Hotel. It's clean. And I got my heat tested here. There's like a magic ball in the front. I'm not sure what it was. Yeah, this is the lobby right here. It's empty as well. And here I am getting some amenities. I got coffee in a tea bag here, which I probably talk about later. But yeah, this is where you get the amenities, free of charge. Yeah. So my hotel room was on the 7th floor, so we just take an elevator here up. Yeah, and then yeah, you gotta be careful of one thing when you use a hotel in Japan. That you need a car key for most places to access anywhere, so don't forget that. So I'm heading to my room right now. I believe my room was the 10th room, I believe. Yes, I think it's the 10th room. It's right here. You need a card key to enter. Beep beep beep. And then, yep, that's you in. And then you gotta put the card key inside of this like card holder to turn all the lights on. staying at a hotel in Aichi, Nagoya. I'm here on a business trip again. Yeah, it's my second time here in Aichi, Nagoya in a while. It's been like 2 weeks. But yeah, I'm here again on a business trip for a conference. So yeah, I'll be here for one night. And yeah, this time I'm probably not gonna enjoy a lot of food here. Just gonna go to the nearest convenience store and buy stuff. But yeah, this is what the room looks like. It's pretty large. I believe it was around 5,000 yen, so it's about $50 a night here. And yeah, it's not too cramped, I feel. Yeah, for one person, it's quite plenty, I feel. There's like a big flat screen TV over here on this side. I guess you can watch TV, you got free Wi-Fi. There's I guess a humidifier at the bottom there. There's the bed right here. It's nothing unusual, it's just a normal bed. What is this, a twin size I think? And then right here there's like a place where you can plug stuff in, I guess. They only have one of these. Oh, they actually have a USB and a normal. It's not normal. I mean, in America, I guess it's a 3-prong, but it's a 2-prong in Japan, so it's pretty normal here. But yeah, you can charge your stuff here. That's great to know. There's a small fridge. There's probably nothing in it. If I can open it. Yep. So what the fridge is like. It's quite empty. And I guess you can do your laundry. Yeah. It's quite expensive, I feel. You got your blow dryer right here. Yeah, blow dryer. Your normal amenity. And there's like a normal, you know, tissues. And there's a cup. There's a pot where you can actually warm up your water to make like coffee or tea. And I actually got a set of a drip. I believe this is like a coffee. This is a cream. I guess this is sugar, and this is like the spoon. Yep. I also got some tea. It says Shizuoka tea. Shizuoka's famous for the tea. I guess you could also get delivery here. It's interesting. Yep. You can get Uber Eats here. Yep, Uber Eats. I think also get pizza. Pizza. But yeah, this is what the hotel I'm staying at tonight is the Green Rich Hotel, Nagoya, Nishiki. Yeah, there's a breakfast, I guess, at 6:30 a.m., which I will probably go to. I got like a breakfast ticket right here. Yep, I can use it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the mirror inside the hotel. You can see me, but yeah. It's not too bad, I guess. Let me turn on the air conditioner. I don't know if you've seen these before in California, but yeah. This is the air conditioner for Japan. Let's see. There we go. Kind of like it chilly, so it's like 21. But yeah, pretty much it. I think I already said the bathroom. Maybe I didn't, but yeah, this is the bathroom in here. Your usual, just like normal amenities. You know, you got your bidet here. You know, gotta get your bidet, and there's like a set of body wash, conditioner, and shampoo here, and there's like a tub. But yeah, there's some towels up there. There's actually a place in the hotel. I believe it's like a big bathhouse that you can go to if you don't want to use the bath inside of the room. And I believe it's open right now, so I don't know. I can't obviously take videos in there, but yeah, I may go use it later if I feel like it. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'm gonna go buy some lunch now. I mean dinner now, so I'll catch you later. In front of like the, I guess it's like an amenity area right here, where you can get your pillows and your clothes here.
ペグスになったら、
いや全然。
今日さ、待ってる。
お願いします。
はい、188番でお待ちお客様どうぞ。お待たせしました。はい、どうぞ。
よいしょ。もっと野菜があるかと思った。
意味が分かんない。
野菜がなかったです。
野菜ジュースかな。
わさびだったか。
カートロールかなんかどんなフードラック
ブリードラックです。もうなんかいっぱいありますね、種類。
甘酒のアイスクリーム激安
激安に入るんですかね。なんか1個だって88円ですよ。まあまあな。
アイスクリーム値段上がったからな。
あ、でも安いですね、やっぱりこういうの78円。
こんなの野菜のパピコ
へえ。
こんなんですよ。
リンゴと人参。ちょっと買います。はい。ではお疲れ様です。Alright, so I am back at my hotel. Went and had some dinner, as you probably saw in my couple clips ago, I guess. I went to this place where they had a lot of different kinds of rice bowls, I should say. Yeah, and I had, as you saw, the tempura bowl with 5 shrimp tempuras and an okra tempura on it. And I also had a cold soba. It's like ramen. It's like a noodle based type of food, and yeah, it was pretty good. And I also decided to get some dessert on the way back because it's all under the company's expense. So yeah, I decided to get some strawberry ice cream, and I also got some fruits and nuts, which is my favorite. I always eat these things. They're so good. Yeah, I love them. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy these. And yeah, I'm probably gonna get ready for tomorrow's work. Gonna take a long shower tonight, I guess. Yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys later. Peace.